everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get this look by decorating your own Crocs using some of these charms. This is very easy to do and can be customized for anyone in healthcare, so stay tuned. Okay, so first off, you want to get your favorite color or style of Crocs. Next, you'll pick out your favorite gibbets and charms. Since I work in healthcare, this video is going to show how I decorated mine for work, so let's get started. Okay, so I started off decorating these Crocs with a silver chain. There's so many different designs that you can choose from online, but this one does not have any bling. So next I'm adding the letters to my shoe. So whatever position you work in, whatever initials, abbreviations that you use can be applied to the shoe. I got almost all of my gibbets from different shops on Etsy, and these can be applied anywhere on the shoe. Just kind of fit them in wherever you see fit. The different charms that you'll see as well, I got from different shops on Etsy and Amazon. So if you have any questions about any specific charm or gibbet that I use, please feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer. But once again, these can be applied anywhere on the shoe, any design, kind of whatever fits your specialty. You'll have to kind of adjust and move things around to kind of fit best on the Croc. But my main goal was just to try to cover as many of the holes as possible for work. Okay, so almost done. This part is definitely optional, but I wanted to just add a little bit more bling to the Croc. So I'm adding a bling chain that I also found on Etsy, and I'm going to apply that to the top of each Croc. So stay tuned. And on this part, I literally just used glue to apply it. This is the finished look. Once again, this can be customized to however you like. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for future videos. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.